Hello, welcome to Zixflow. In this video, we will cover how to build a WhatsApp bot or send WhatsApp notifications using flows. You will see flows under automation. Click on Add Flow to create a new one. Name your flow and click on Create. In this example, let's build a basic bot where if someone reaches out to you on WhatsApp, the bot can respond with a welcome message and send the appropriate actions forward. To start, the first thing we need to do is set the trigger. Basically, when you want this flow to be triggered. For WhatsApp incoming messages, we need to select the triggers as incoming WhatsApp conversation started. Now, select the number which you want to link and connection as people here. If you want the bot to be triggered based on specific words like if somebody types hi or says hello, then only this bot should be triggered. You can set it up under phrases. Now we want to send a welcome message. Create a new node and go to marketing and select send WhatsApp. Now select the number and add the recipient numbers which we will select for the variable as phone number. To send a message, you can either select the existing approved template messages or you can send a direct message. Since the user first reached out, the service conversation is already started and we can send non-approved messages as well. I have selected a direct message. Now, here you can send multiple types of messages like text, image, video, document or a list message. If you want to give the user options to choose from, then select the list type. Add your message in the text box, set the button name. In this case, we are setting it as No More. Once the user clicks on the button, what options do you want to show? You need to mention here. For example, I am keeping Sales and Support buttons here. Now enable the Wait for User response. So basically, it will wait for 30 minutes for user response. But this is something you can change as well. Now let's go to Node. This will start showing you the two options along with the default action. If the user selects sales, then we want to send another message. So we will go to action, then marketing and select send WhatsApp. Select the number as a variable, select the direct message and add your message here. Since this is the last step and I don't want any action from the user end, we will keep the wait for response to be disabled. Let's do the same thing for the support option. Send WhatsApp. Select the number as a variable, select the direct message and add your message here, keeping the response to be disabled. Now, imagine a case where the user doesn't respond to these two options or doesn't reply within the 30-minute time, which we have set up on our previous node here. To handle this case, we will use the default option. Now, let's follow the same setup. Select WhatsApp, then select the number and add your text message, which is like a common text. Similarly, this flow can go on depending on how you want to set up for your business use case. You can use multiple actions like sending SMS or email. A few advanced options are also here, like you can adjust time, use a formula to calculate some data, or use a random number node to generate some random numbers for your use case. Under the delay section, you can set up a delay between the node here or use delay until for a specific time or event-based trigger. Now, once your flow is created, you can publish it. Under automation, the next module is cadence. Sales cadence is basically sequencing. If you want to send the first message to a user and follow up after a few days, you can automate these messages. The salesperson doesn't have to do the follow-ups, the system can do it for them. If someone replies, the cadence will break and the salesperson has to then take over. You can set up breakup rules based on certain conditions like WhatsApp delivered, failed, email replied, opened, etc. Both modules can interact with multiple contacts, and these contacts will be called subscribers. For one contact, you can run unlimited automation with Zixflow, making it very cost-saving and ROI-driven. By default, you get 500 subscribers, but you can buy more according to your business requirements. This is very cost-effective compared to any other tool out here. And it's very powerful when it comes to customizations. We hope you like Zixflow. Do reach out to our support team if you get stuck anywhere in the process. We are here to help. Thank you.